Hi guys, it's Jordan here from JDM and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you, install and test something I just got, something I wanted for a really long time and I finally got it. So it's not something really useful, actually, it's just fun. It's honestly really too expensive for what it is, but it's useless and this is why I really wanted it. Let me show you. Ta-da! It's just right there in this little box. It's actually a box itself called the Ressha Melody Box. It comes from importbible.com. I bought this thing for 70 bucks. So yep, that's a lot, but I really want to try it. So it comes in a nice cardboard box with some instruction on top and a little logo here. So it's really details, but you know, I love details. And in the box itself, you got nice packaging with all the list track you can get, a little display of the box itself, and if you open it, in it you have the Melody Box, you have a cigarette lighter plug, USB plug with double entry, a USB cable. This is pretty fancy, I will show you in a minute, and some velcro stuff to put the Melody Box wherever you want in the car. So what's fancy about this cable is, as you can see, the connection is magnetic, like on Apple stuff. It's magnetic, and so it can practically turn everywhere you want, so you can fit the box and the cable, you know, pretty much the way you want in the car. So that's pretty awesome, and I feel like this is kind of an upgraded version of the product because in older videos this is a simple micro USB cable and maybe not with this stuff here. So I think this is an upgraded version. And for the install is actually really simple. You just need to plug it to your cigarette lighter. So you can hard wire it. In my case, there is no point of this. So I'm just gonna remove this cigarette lighter plug because it's honestly trash. And I'm really happy that it comes with a better version that is really small. So just plug it in place. Perfect. Now, the nice USB cable, I'm gonna put it here, and then just have to plug it to the Melody Box. So I'm probably gonna fit it mine here, like simply here. I feel like it's a nice place, it's visual, it doesn't block anything. So I could use the little velcro here, so I can remove the box if I want. But now, let's try it. So the whole point of this is to give you a little melody when you start your car, or when the ignition is on. So you know what? Let's try it.
Subaru.
That's so awesome. And by clicking the little button, you can switch to the other tracks.
Powered by Suzuki.
And the Melody Box will keep it in memory and display the latest one when you put the ignition on.
Powered by Tesla.
Well, that's all the brands, powered by the brand. So maybe let's... Honestly, I really like it. I think it's fun. It kind of had a nice JDM touch to the car, which I really love. So 70 bucks, still happy that I spent them. So yeah, the unboxing was pretty fast and the install pretty easy. So that was a quick video, but for those who are curious, I'm gonna make you listen more tracks of the Melody Box, so if you want to buy it, you can really hear what they say, so you can make your choice after that. But stay tuned. I'm also gonna install another fun JDM accessory to the car just after, so stay tuned.
こんにちは。安全運転を。首都高速をかっ飛ばしましょう。お久しぶりです。ありがとうございます。シートベルトをお締めください。豆腐配達マシン準備完了です。いらっしゃいませ。すごい。別モッドもやってみましょう。おはようお兄ちゃん。おはようお姉ちゃん。
Yeah, you also got like full melody without voice.
皆様、新幹線にご乗車ありがとうございます。こっち。エレクトリックパワー、NA パワー、ロータリーパワー、スーパーチャージドパワー、ターボパワー、パワードバイアキュラ、パワードバイアウディ。
And then you got all the powered by brands, and I'm gonna leave it to Subaru, obviously. Okay, so I think you had a nice overview of all the sounds the Melody Box can make. Just so you know, you can add custom tracks, you can ask Impro Bible to make some for you, and I even think you can make your own and upload them to the box. That's pretty awesome. Now, I was talking about another mod, and I'm pretty sure during the close-up of the Melody Box you saw the shift knob, the OEM shift knob that is disgusting. So I have another one. It's also pretty fun, just like the Melody Box. Let me show you. Old one. I think you just have to do that. It is a really long thread. I just can't remove it. That's weird.
One eternity later.
Okay, it was just a really long thread. Here it is. Let's put the new one. Ta-da! Yep, that's the new one. Okay, I'm definitely not happy with the results. Oh, maybe I just have to stick the shift boot up here. That's kind of weird. Well, look at. Maybe I should stick it like this, but it seems really extended. That's a bit weird. Well, I think this last mod is not gonna stay for now till I found a better solution. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this little video about the Ressha Melody Box. It was really fun. I thought, guys, you would enjoy it, since the Subaru, you know, it's a really emblematic Japanese brand, and this is kind of Japanese JDM stuff, like I said. So this is some stuff I enjoy too, so I hope you enjoy them too. Thank you guys for watching. If you like it, you can subscribe to the channel, give a like, comments. You can also check my Instagram account and my website at nsmland.com. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon.